Hello everyone, today I teach you Unit 4 of KIIP Level 1. Haman Shiga 식당에 가요. Haman goes to 식당. 식당 is restaurant. In this chapter, we'll study about two grammatical parts. Now there are two questions. 이 사람들은 어디에 가요? Where are these people going? 거기 있어 뭐해요? What are they doing there? 거기, there. 여러분은 오늘 is today. 여러분은 오늘 어디에 가요? Where are you going today? 거기에서 뭐해요? What are you doing there? Now I'll explain some names of places. 학교, school, 편의점, departmental stores, 회사, company, 은행, bank, 집, house, 식당, restaurant, 값대, 병원, hospital, 약국, pharmacy, 시장, market, 마트, department mart. Here we'll study first grammatical part is ekada. Ekada versus a word ends with consonants or vowels. You have to use ekada. There is no such condition. 학교에 가다, 학교에 가요. Going to school. Haman 씨, 어디에 가요? Haman, where are you going? 학교에 가요. I'm going to school. 학교 ends with vowel 에 가요. 어디 ends with vowel 에 가요. 이른 씨 지금 집에 가요. 집 it ends with consonant but still we use 에 가요. 내 집에 가요. 제 친구가 한국에 와요. Again, 한국 ends with consonant but still we use 에 가요. 에 와요. 에 가요, where are you going? 에 와요, where are you coming? Now, 영화관, 극장, 찜질방, 백화점, 헬스장, 노래방, PT방, 묘실, 빨래방, 우체국, 서점. The second part of grammar here is 있어. Okay, let me explain one main point over here is we use a and 있어. Okay, then here is a person going somewhere and doing some work, so we use eso. If you are saying, I'm going to restaurant, you use a. And if you say, I am going to cafe to drink coffee or to have cake or to eat cake, so use esto. 어디에서 운동해요? Where are you doing exercise? 헬스장, gym. 어디서 운동해요? Doing exercise at gym. 이른 씨는 뭐해요? What are you doing 이른? 커피에서 차를 마셔요. I'm drinking tea at cafe. 잠시의 씨는 극장에서 영화를 봐요. 잠시에 is watching a movie at theater. Again, there is no condition for consonant or vowel. Either the word ends with consonant or vowel, you can use a stop. But remember one thing, I'm repeating again. When you are doing some work and you are going somewhere and there you have to do some work, so you use 있어. 시장 있어. 백화점 있어. 학교 있어. 카페 있어. Okay? I'll later on explain in my other videos with some reference examples from different other books. Okay, I'm actually making a unit in a small video because so many people send me DMs. Please deliver a small lecture so that we just get the main point and prepare our exam. Best of luck for all of you for your exam. Okay. 걱정해. 식당에서 학교에. 저는 지금 걱정됐어요. 식당에서 밥을 먹어요. 어디에 가요? 학교에 가요. Okay. Let me read these vocabulary words. 학교, 편의점, 의사, 은행, 객, 식당, 카페, 병원, 약국, 시장, 마트, 영화관, 극장, 백화점, 찜질방, 헬스장, 노래방, PT방, 뮤실, 볼레방, 우체국, 서점, 회사 식당, 직원 식당, 근처, 밭, 공원, 아주, 남편, 기타, 주말, 문화 센터, 배우다. Kindly repeat these grammatical parts and prepare your exam. I'll explain with further examples in my coming video. Stay tuned and subscribe and follow my TikTok page.